Hello home design lovers and outdoor enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring your spaces to life with style and inspiration. I'm so thrilled you're here today. Whether you're a regular viewer or just joining us for the first time, we're diving into something that can transform your home's connection to the outdoors: the best sliding patio door ideas. These doors are more than just an entrance, they're a gateway to seamless indoor-outdoor living. So grab a cozy drink, settle in, and let's explore how to make your patio doors a stunning focal point. Ready to get inspired? Let's dive in. Sliding patio doors are all about blending beauty with function, and modern designs are stealing the show. Picture a floor-to-ceiling glass door with slim black aluminum frames, creating a sleek, minimalist look that lets natural light flood your space. For a warmer vibe, consider wooden frames in a natural finish like oak or walnut, adding a touch of organic charm. One home I saw used a multi-slide door system that folds away completely, opening the living room to a spacious deck for effortless entertaining. These designs maximize space and views, making your home feel bigger and more connected to the outdoors. Want more ways to elevate your home? Hit that subscribe button and join our design community today. Materials and finishes can take your sliding patio doors to the next level. Imagine frosted or tinted glass panels for added privacy without sacrificing light. Perfect for urban homes. For a bold statement, try doors with matte black or bronze frames, paired with clear glass to frame your backyard like a piece of art. One stunning setup used energy-efficient triple pane glass, keeping the home cozy while showcasing a lush garden view. You can even add built-in blinds between the glass for a clean, low-maintenance look. These choices not only enhance style, but also improve functionality for year-round comfort. Loving these ideas? Subscribe now to keep the inspiration flowing for your home. Don't overlook the details that make your patio doors a true showpiece. Think about sleek, modern handles in brushed nickel or matte black to complement your door's frame. For a touch of charm, add a sliding barn-style door with rustic wood, blending country and contemporary vibes. One clever design incorporated a small built-in bench next to the door, creating a cozy spot to enjoy the view. Surround your doors with potted plants or climbing vines to soften the transition to your outdoor space. These thoughtful touches make your patio doors both practical and inviting, perfect for everyday living or hosting friends. Ready to transform your home? Subscribe to our channel and let's make your space a masterpiece.